Yes.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Yes.
southern Boone County, east central Montgomery County, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern
was
Daylight
unexpected.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Crawfordsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Whitestown, Advance, New Ross, and Euland.
Whitestown.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 130 and 142. Interstate 74 between mile markers 42 and 51. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central and west central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone and Montgomery.
That was amazing.